In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your HubSpot CRM Hub ID. Whether you're just getting started with HubSpot or you've been using it for a while, finding your Hub ID can sometimes be a bit elusive, but don't worry, we've got you covered in this quick and easy guide. First, let's head over to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.hubspot.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar HubSpot interface, which is bustling with tools to support your business operations efficiently. After arriving at the HubSpot homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Login button. This button is often located at the top right corner of the page, and clicking here will direct you to the login screen. Make sure you have your login details ready. If you've forgotten your password, HubSpot provides an option to reset it so you won't be stuck for long. Once logged in, you should find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard, bustling with various tools and resources that you're already familiar with. This home screen acts as your hub for managing all your business contacts, sales, and marketing efforts within the HubSpot ecosystem. Now direct your attention towards your profile, which can be found typically by looking for your initials or profile picture in the upper right area of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu full of options. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for your name or whatever alias you use within HubSpot. Select this option. This, in essence, acts as a gateway to all your personal settings and preferences within HubSpot. After clicking on your name, the drop-down menu will expand, giving you more options to choose from. At this point, you need to look for and click on the Account option, which appears in the extended drop-down. By selecting Account, you're on the last leg of this journey to locate your Hub ID. As you click, the account overview page loads up, which contains a comprehensive set of details about your account and profile within HubSpot's CRM platform. Within this overview, you'll find several key pieces of information, including the Hub ID you've been trying to uncover. And there you have it. Within just a few clicks, you've successfully navigated through the HubSpot platform to find your Hub ID. Remember, this ID is crucial for any integrations or custom setups you might want to employ within HubSpot, so make sure you note it down somewhere safe. If any of these steps weren't clear, feel free to rewind and watch again. With these instructions under your belt, navigating HubSpot should now feel like a breeze. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in our next guide.